Hey everyone, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you 8 different Amazon purchases that I've made lately that I'm loving and that are especially good if you are quarantined at home, which is pretty much all of us. So let's get into the video. All right, item number 1. A lot of us are doing a lot of cooking and we're using garlic and onion. This is called the Rub Away, and what it does is rub away the smell of garlic and onion. So you just go like this, underwater or not, and it magically takes the scent of garlic and onion off of your hands. I think it's because stainless steel is supposed to do that, but instead of rubbing your hands on your fridge or your other appliances, just get one of these and it'll fix it. Plus it looks like a bar soap, so it's super cute. Number 2 is this thing called the Slice. I am loving this. So you can see it as this teeny tiny little thing here. I actually will not slice my finger by doing this. Well, this will cut through all those packages you've been ordering it with ease, any envelopes. It's like small but very, very mighty. And I think it's just absolutely the cutest thing. And I just noticed it has like something for a key ring. I don't know if I'd want to keep it on me all the time, but this is really awesome. It's been opening up all of my Amazon packages lately. Next item is my Gua Sha. You're like, what's a Gua Sha? Well, if you may wonder or ask or whatever, it massages. So I should put some oil on. I have this Aveda oil. So I'll just put I've been having like a lot of tension headaches, I think just from like sitting and stuff. So now I can just go like this. You don't want to like jab it in. This thing is awesome. Oh, it just massages really any part of your body you can do, but I like it for my neck, and I'll do it on my jaw. If I didn't have makeup on, I would do that. For your forearm, you don't even need oil for this. You can just do it over your shirt. This is so good. A massage therapist that I went to told me about it. I ordered on Amazon, and this is, now I like want to keep doing this. It's so good. I've been baking a lot. My favorite thing to bake are these chocolate chip cookies that I got the recipe for from What's Gotta Be Cooking. I'll put the link below because they're worth it. You keep the dough in the fridge for 72 hours, but also the recipe calls for you to weigh your ingredients. Now I've been making these cookies for over a year now without weighing them, like weighing the ingredients, and they've turned out really well. But this time I made them the other day, I made the dough the other day. I'm about to bake the cookies tomorrow. And I used a scale this time, and I just bought the Amazon Basics one. I've used it once. It worked great. This wasn't too expensive, and it was definitely worth it. So if you were looking for one, I didn't want a fancy one. I just needed something simple, and this one did the trick. Another Amazon Basics item. This is to replace, it's a baking sheet. It's to replace your parchment paper. I love parchment paper. Nothing sticks to it. Nothing sticks to this either. This has been a lifesaver. I've used it for cookies. I used it for spring rolls the other day, like frozen runs from Trader Joe's. I used it for sugar cookies. It works really well, and it comes in a pack of 2. Get yourself this. It'll make life a lot easier when you're baking and cleaning up. This next item I saw at my mom's house. She had this thing in her microwave, just like, I didn't wash this before, sorry about that. Just like sitting in the microwave. I'm like, Mom, what is that? She's like, this is the greatest thing ever. So here's what it does. It sits in your microwave, and then you, when you take items out and they're super hot, like a bowl, you can just like lift this up and pull the item out. And it's then also your placemat. Also, this can go on top, so if you don't want splatters. So I guess you could get 2 of them, and that would really be the coolest thing. And this is dishwasher safe. I just really love it, and I think you need one of these in your life, especially if you tend to spill in the microwave. This helps clean it up. All right, I was just shooting TikTok videos, and they go really quick, so I'm like talking really, really fast. I'll try and slow down. Next item, I've had deli containers before, but this time I bought ones that have multiple sizes. So has this, I think this is 4 quarts, 32 ounces. And then it has this one. This is all in one package. This one is 6 ounces. And this one is, I don't know the ounces, just small, medium, and large. Before I had these 2, but I love that it came with this small one because this were like smaller ingredients or spices or whatever it is. These are freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and they're just really helpful for storing leftovers, which a lot of us probably have, especially lately from ordering all the takeout. Another thing we're all doing lately is grocery shopping, or we're trying to if the shelves are open. And I picked up, I ordered from Amazon, this grocery bag. Now let me just show you. So it's all wrapped up, sort of. I should have probably done that. There we go. All wrapped up. What you do is, this is really neat. It's like a great invention. All right, ready for it? So now you have a shopping bag that has well, that one didn't pop. There. That has structure to it. Like, now it's not going to tip over in your car. Like, it has like the little footy thingies on it, and it keeps the structure. These are really great. They come in a set of 3. Oh, they're super easy to break down. And I'm like totally loving these. Oh, there's also a little pocket inside too, if you want to add some little things or put your receipt or whatever it is in there. So these are really great. And then also something that I've been doing, and I think a lot of you, is working from home if you're not in healthcare or one of the emergency fields. But this is a laptop, like tray desk thingy. I don't know what to really call it. You've seen these before. I've had this one for years. So I'll try to find the same exact link. If not, I'll find one really similar. And it has a place for your phone, something else. And I just overall really love this. So when I'm on my computer, I don't have, like, I feel like it gets overheated if it's on a blanket. And it's really nice to be able to like prop this up, like put some pillows underneath it. And then I have my keyboard, like my computer, where I want it. So those are the Amazon items that I've been loving lately, especially during the quarantine. And I guess they're all home items, right? I don't know. I thought you'd find it useful. I love these products. Thank you for watching my video. Have an amazing day and stay healthy. Bye.